design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are diving into one of the most joyful and creative aspects of home styling, kids' bedroom decor. A child's bedroom is so much more than just a place to sleep. It is a laboratory for the imagination, a sanctuary for rest, and a private world where they can truly be themselves. In this video, we will explore why decorating this space matters, how it impacts your child's development, and the practical steps you can take to create a room that is both beautiful and functional. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking for a quick refresh, these insights will help you design a space that grows with your child and reflects their unique personality. Kids. Bedroom decor refers to the intentional arrangement of furniture, colors, textures, and accessories to create an environment tailored specifically to the needs and preferences of a child. It is a specialized branch of interior design that balances aesthetics with high levels of functionality and safety. Beyond just picking out wallpaper, it involves understanding the developmental stage of the child. Whether they are a toddler needing tactile stimulation or a preteen requiring a dedicated study zone, at its core, kids' bedroom decor is about storytelling. It uses physical elements to build a narrative of comfort, curiosity, and belonging, ensuring that the room feels like a true reflection of the child's inner world. Investing time and effort into a well-decorated kid's bedroom offers significant psychological and practical benefits. A thoughtfully designed room provides a sense of ownership and security, which is vital for a child's emotional well-being. When a child feels that their space is theirs, they are more likely to take pride in maintaining it and feel safe during the night. Furthermore, the right decor can stimulate cognitive development and creativity. For example, incorporating specific colors can influence mood. Soft blues and greens promote relaxation and better sleep, while vibrant yellows or interactive wall decals can spark imaginative play. Additionally, a structured room with smart storage solutions teaches organizational skills from a young age, helping children understand that everything has a place, which reduces daily stress for both a child and the parent. To make a kid's bedroom look professionally designed while remaining cozy, you must start with a cohesive color palette that serves as your foundation, instead of choosing overly trendy themes that a child might outgrow in a year. Focus on a timeless base color and layer in personality through easily swappable items like bedding, rugs, and wall art. Incorporating varied textures is also key. Mix soft textiles with wood or metal accents to add depth and visual interest. Lighting plays a massive role in the look of the room. Layering a bright overhead light for playtime with softer bedside lamps or fairy lights for evening reading creates a warm, inviting atmosphere. Finally, keep the room clutter-free by using stylish yet accessible storage. Baskets, floating shelves, and underbed bins allow you to display the pretty toys while hiding the mess, ensuring the room always looks curated and intentional. There are several popular styles that work exceptionally well for children's spaces, each offering a different vibe. The Scandinavian style is a perennial favorite because of its focus on minimalism, light wood, and neutral tones, which creates a calm environment that isn't overstimulating. For those who want something more whimsical, the Bohemian or boho style is excellent, utilizing natural fibers, macrame, and earthy tones to create a relaxed, adventurous feel. If your child has a specific interest, a modern-themed room, such as outer space, botanical, or nautical, can be executed elegantly by using sophisticated patterns rather than literal cartoonish prints. For older children, an industrial or loft style with metal bed frames and exposed brick elements provides a more grown-up feel that transitions perfectly into the teenage years. Regardless of the style, the best approach is to choose a look that allows for flexibility as the child's tastes evolve, creating the perfect bedroom. for your child is a rewarding journey that combines love with design. By focusing on a balance of comfort, style, and utility, you aren't just decorating a room. You are building a backdrop for some of the most important years of their lives. Remember that the best designs are those that leave room for the child to add their own finishing touches over time. We hope this guide has inspired you to look at your child's space with fresh eyes and a clear plan for your next makeover project. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more home styling inspiration every week. We would love to hear from you. Which style was your favorite? Or what is the biggest challenge you face when decorating for kids? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and we will see you in the next video.